Hi everyone, my name's Kathy. Welcome to Skint Living UK. I've been to Asda to pick up some bargains. I've gone later than usual because I've been painting the bedroom today. So I thought, well, I'll take a chance and see if I could find some bargains, and I did. So I'm really pleased I did that. So I went with £20 and I only spent £10.66, so I came home with over £9 in change because I managed to get a load of reductions, some yellow stick items. So this is what I got. I got some more tender chicken breast diced. That was reduced to £1.08 and I got 3 of them. So they'll stock up my freezer because I'm replenishing my freezer at the moment, because we had a freezer month the other week that ended up being 6 weeks. So yeah, I'm made up because I've been able to put loads of stuff in the freezer lately because I've picked up a lot of reduced items. I also got some exceptional Cumberland sausages and they were reduced to £1.07. I got 2 of them. So they're usually £2.99 for 1 packet or 2 for £4.98. And they were £1.07 each, so well under half price. They also had an offer on the little apples. They're usually £1.09 and they were 74 today. So I got 2 apples and a bag of easy peelers, which were also 74p. So I was made up. I got loads of reduced stuff and I got some fruit on the offers. And if anyone knows me, I've got a sweet tooth. And I picked up some sweet items as well because I'm a big baby and I like to have sweetie treats too. So what did I get? I got 2 slices of lemon and mascarpone cheesecake. There it is. It should have been £2.95 and was reduced to £1.09. So I'll trough them tonight. I got my son some toffee flavoured mousses. He likes anything toffee or chocolate flavoured, and they were reduced from 98p to 33p. And I've got something I've never bought before, the Mississippi mud pie, layers of biscuit, brownie, chocolatey flavour custard and rich whipped cream. So yeah, heart attack in a pie. I can feel my cholesterol rising as I'm eating it. We'll have that tomorrow. And I've not had that before, and it should have been £4.98, so there you go. That's the reason why I've not had it before, because I wouldn't be spending £5 on a cakey, and it was reduced to £1.64, which is expensive for me, to be honest, but I just thought, oh, it looks really bad for you. I think I'll have a little go at that. So £1.64. So yeah, that looks really nice actually. So I spent £10.66, £1.08 for each of the 3 chickens, £1.07 for the 2 sausages, some sweetie treats and special offer apples and easy peels. So I was made up. I went out with £20 and I came back with £9 and change. So what I might do tomorrow is split my change, go to Aldi and do a little fridge stock up, because I wanted to get some cheese and some bell peppers and some biscuity treats for the dog and the cat. So it's because I've got the £9, I'm going to be able to do it now. So if you could be so kind, could you please like, share and subscribe, leave a comment so the YouTube algorithm knows that you're engaging with me, if you could be so kind, and let me know, have you picked up any bargains? I asked the lady in the Asda, there's been more stuff in the reduced section, and she said they've got a new manager. So I love that new manager. Because she said they always have loads of reduced stuff out the back and they get taken away and dumped because it's tax deductible. So he's like, no, get it out in the shop. So there you go, there's a kind-hearted manager. He must realise that the cost of living crisis is still actually going on. So bye for now.